Kevin Hogan from Tech and Learning here live at ISTE 18 in Chicago, Illinois, looking at the latest and greatest edtech releases this summer, including a number of new offerings from NetSupport. I'm here with Marcus Kingsley, Managing Director for NetSupport. Marcus, tell us a little bit about some of the initiatives that NetSupport has going on here at ISTE.
Yeah, absolutely. So this week we'll be showcasing both our classroom management software, NetSupport School, giving educators all the tools needed to effectively manage the increasingly diverse range of devices in the classroom, whether it's Windows, Chrome, Android, iOS, and also encouraging better digital citizenship. And that's part of our promotion here this year as we're announcing our relationship with the Digital Citizenship Institute, trying to align both our messages to help push that area in schools to create that safe learning environment. And then of course our overall IT school-wide management system, NetSupport DNA, providing not just the tools to discover, track and manage all of the assets and endpoints across the school, but also to help provide that safe environment with its unique internet safety and student safeguarding tools.
Talk a little bit about the digital citizen aspect of things. And so it's very kind of a theoretical sort of concept. How does that work in the day-to-day reality of using your technology?
Well, I think our aim is to try and change the narrative, because digital citizenship and internet safety and that kind of digital controls has this perception of a negative connotation. You know, it's don't do this, you mustn't do that. If you do that, you'll be punished. And we want to try and change that narrative along with the Digital Citizenship Institute to be more a case of, you know, I will not do this, or then a case of, I will do this, but I will act appropriately. I will communicate correctly digitally. I understand the effect of what I'm doing online. And that's the kind of narrative that we're trying to encourage. And some of the functionality built into the software lends itself to that. But it's also still important, we're providing technology to have safeguards in place that allow us to quickly and proactively identify any at-risk or vulnerable students. You know, all too often schools have an all or nothing type approach where they block the internet or they provide very restrictive lists of internet sites to access. And that's fine, but it moves the problem off-site to somewhere else where they're not being monitored. Yeah. And also we have to recognize that yes, the internet's got lots of questionable content, but it's also a treasure trove of information to enhance learning. And so we can provide the tools where we allow access to that treasure trove, but in a controlled manner. And then if we very quickly identify issues, we can take the necessary actions to address any concerns, whether it's the cyberbullying issues, unfortunately the teen suicide rates that are increasing exponentially over the last 10 years, racism, radicalization issues, all those concerns that we have to be worried about when we're providing this increased access to technology in schools.
Right. So if someone wanted to dig deeper into your product and your technologies, what would be the first step?
First step is to obviously visit the website, netsupport-inc.com or netsupportsoftware.com. And from there you'll be able to download a fully featured trial license to see exactly how the product operates within the unique environment. So by all means visit the website or come and see us at one of these shows like this.
All right, great. Well, thanks very much, Marcus.